My name's Leanne Papadopoulos and I am the CEO and founder of My Creative Box. My Creative Box was founded in 2016. The idea came about because I just struggled to find things on the market in terms of activities for my own children. With my background in early childhood education, I thought there must be a solution out there that is not only fun and enjoyable for everyone, but educational as well. The animal stackers are actually a product that come in our Aussie Animals craft and activity box. All the little characters come to life with our illustrator. She made them really visual and eye-catching for young kids and really engaging, so they look great. They also come with prompts to help guide families to make it an enjoyable experience, because we really want to empower parents to be involved in their children's learning and development at home. The Kinder Kits is a great initiative for Victorian families by helping families with tools that children need to be able to explore, create and guide their learning and development at home is a brilliant idea. We're super proud to have our products in the Kinder Kits, and yeah, we just can't wait to hear the feedback and start receiving some photos of all of the things that children create with them.